Okay, hello folks. Well, just got a package from FedEx from Amazon. It says, yes, it does says Amazon. It says go this way with the package. It has an arrow going up. So, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got Man of Steel. How about that? Ooh, that's a goodie. Got this for a bargain for like $5, or was it $6 and something off Amazon. Unbelievable. Then, Lord and behold, I got the very first season of Spartacus. Yeah, this should be interesting. Oh boy, I'm gonna really enjoy this. Yeah. So, it came really fast too. You're gonna laugh at what I paid for this. I paid $2.98 for the first season of Spartacus from Amazon warehouse. And it said it was used, but they might have put new plastic on it or something. But it's in plastic. And but it looks, I don't know if it's been, hey, I like the packaging, it's like a little book and everything. I will do an unboxing for this here, these two things, but of course, can't do it right now because I got some other things to do. It's Friday, and I think I've posted quite a few, and these are two nice ones to get. Okay. Oh, let me show you. Oh, I did get something else. This came in the mail today too. Any Given Sunday. So, that's, let me do an unboxing on this one. Hey, how about that? So this one, I can just do this real quick. If you hear any other voice besides mine, is coming from outside the window. And people talk so loud. You see what I mean? God. Yeah. Any Given Sunday, folks. And a bunch of laughter in the background. If you didn't hear it, that's good. I'm sure, I don't really go for sports shows that often, but this one I really do. But then again, I like Spartacus, and certain sports I like to be seen on videos, on DVDs, Blu-rays. So there we have it for this Friday, and I got a lot of goodies.